Alright, hi Minecraft educators. I would like to show you the greatest resource I've found so far that lets you build skins and avatars. Avatars for graphics and skins for actual gameplay in Minecraft. So the site is up here in the top left. It's minecraft.novaskin or novaskin.me, and I want to show you quickly how you can use this to increase engagement with your students or just in general for skins and gameplay, etc., or story themes or anything like that. So what you do is you start over here in the top left with gallery, and for instance if you're bald like I am, you type in BALD, hit enter, and it searches for every character that's bald. You can also search for vampires, you can search for Darth Vader, stormtroopers, you can imagine, you can search for anything like pirates, Yetis, anything you can think of, you search for in the character bank. So what I do is I find one that I really like. Some are amateur quality, some are half decent. I click on this guy because he's my favorite. So there's my main character. Now you're not stuck with these designs. If you're graphically inclined, if you're an artist, you can actually paint individual squares in this picture. You can also use the hand tool to spin your character in any position you want. Now let's move to the next panel up in the top left, which is called Wear. This is where you get to type in jeans, for instance. If you want your character to wear jeans, you hit enter, and here's several types of jeans. And what you do is you go add to base. Let's say you don't like that change. All you do is you go down here to the undo arrow at the bottom, and you go undo. I didn't like that. Let's say my character, I want sort of a hooded sweater approach, or just a sort of a sweater dress with a jeans. I like this one, so I go add to character, and now my character is starting to take shape. So I like that. I can spin him in different directions, look at him around, stuff like that. Now let's say I want a diamond sword on his back. There's not a lot of things up under the wear column, but if you type in diamond, you might be lucky enough to get, say for instance, this one with a diamond sword. So I go add to base. When I spin him around, look what's on his back now. Now I have a diamond sword built into the back. Okay, so the headdress is another thing you can actually do. You can type in hats, for instance, hit enter. There's not a large selection of hats, but when you find one that works for you, like that style, you like it, that's great. You can keep it. If not, you can leave your character without headdress. Last but not least, you can type in accessories, which would be like, for instance, shades, which is your sunglasses. So if you want your character to have sunglasses, there you go. This guy has sunglasses and headphones on, which is awesome. And that's basically how you set up your character, the way he looks. And there are tons of character customizations in here. Everything's great. Now, here's the thing I want to show you very quickly before we move on. If you want to save your character, you go up to the save button. And there's your skin. You simply right-click and go save target as or save image as. And there's your skin file. And there's your avatar, which in fact is transparent. There's no background behind him. So you will have a transparent background, which means your avatar can go on any color you want. Okay, so moving across the top, I usually ignore tags, but I do go into poses. My favorite pose is the one where it's walking. You can, of course, do random poses, but you can spin your character any way you want to get him walking. Or jumping, for instance, or doing some sort of exercise, or some sort of pose, or even just standing tall, or something like that. You can also do random poses, and here's a cool thing. You can go hold in left hand and hold in right. When you open this up, you get an inventory. You can choose what you want your character to hold, then select the pose. And now these are great when you spin them like that. You now can save him as a photo. You can save him as a photo when you, of course, right-click and save this image. It's a transparent image of your avatar holding the device. The last thing you need to know about this, of course, you can undo that by going hold left and choosing just one of these blank spaces, and he's back to the empty thing. The last thing you need to know is see the beautiful background behind him, the hills and the green and the forest. You can change that. You can actually upload using that small little link right there that says choose file. You can upload your own images to go in behind, or what you can do is choose from a lot of awesome backgrounds that they have here on the site. And you can do a screen capture, you can download these, you can take what you want, but you can see there's several different themes. There's some really cool ones with light beams shining down. They seem to be, there's a night one, that's pretty cool. So you can see how I did this. I came to the site, I first went to my gallery, I picked my theme, pirates, stormtroopers, whatever you want, whatever theme you're working with, you start there. Then you can customize what they're wearing, and that actually isn't on top of the original costume. So if you had a pirate, you could actually put a coat on top of the pirate's outfit, as well as like a diamond sword on the back, hooks, whatever you want. I then move to pose, I position him, and I put things in his hands, left and right, books, whatever, and then I move to background. So this is novaskin.minecraft.me. I really, really hope this website helps you increase engagement with your graphics this year as a Minecraft mentor or as a Minecraft educator. And it really is the best one I've found so far. These two buttons up here are how you save. Up here is either save or photo. Remember to right click for the skin. The skin here on the left is what you would use in gameplay. And the image here on the right is the one that you would actually use in a graphic. You would put them in as a transparent background image, and you can put some text next to them. There's a great website called textcraft.net, I believe, which will allow you to have the Minecraft text next to your character. And you can really use this site quickly along with Textcraft to create some amazing graphics for your school, for your programs, for your parent nights, for everything. So this is the coolest find that I found in late 2016. It is my gift to you if you didn't know about it for 2017 as a Minecraft mentor. And if you have any questions about how to use this site, it is pretty intricate and pretty complex with certain features, but I just showed you the most basic ones that should get you through. So this is Ben Kelly, Minecraft Mentor 2017 from Canada. And this is my share with you quickly of Novaskin and how to make Minecraft skins and avatars. Have a great year. Have a great 2017. And share your graphics and skins with me if you want. BBTNB, BBTNB on Twitter. Thanks.